What's happening, everybody? We're at the abandoned theme park Ghost Town in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button to see videos that we post each week. I won't focus so much on the decline of this theme park, but just in case you're wondering, many reasons stem from things like mechanical issues, disinterest in the Wild West, and even a mudslide. But let's stick to the positive, as this was a theme park that on some days had more than 10,000 people in attendance. This Wild West-based theme park was built on top of Bug Mountain, which has an elevation of 4,600 feet in Maggie Valley with beautiful mountain scenery all around it. Construction of Ghost Town began in 1960, and by 1961, more than 40 buildings were complete, both inside and outside. And all were true life-size replicas of similar buildings from the era. The incline railway brought people within 200 feet of the top of the mountain. This railway was the nation's very first double incline railway and also the steepest. The park officially opened in June of 1961. And Ghost Town in the Sky very quickly became one of the most popular attractions in western North Carolina. And between the winter and spring of 1962, the double chairlift was added. This chairlift was specially ordered from Italy and could transport 900 passengers per hour, using its 160 double chairs. Ghost Town in the Sky quickly grew to be the largest attraction in western North Carolina and one of the largest in the country. This park brought thousands of visitors each day, which resulted in an economic boom for the small town of Maggie Valley, creating many new hotels, motels, and businesses. Ghost Town employed 75 to 100 personnel, which included gunfighters, can-can girls, maintenance crews, and more. It was famous for its live shows, which consisted of can-can dancers and the famous and ever-popular shootouts in the streets, which was held every 40 minutes. The theme park also had a number of stores and restaurants as well. Being an amusement park, Ghost Town had the rides, and lots of them, and being at the top of the mountain provided extra thrills on many of them. While its closure and difficulties had a significant impact on Maggie Valley, North Carolina and the surrounding areas initially, Maggie Valley has reinvented itself and is actively making a return to popularity. Here are some clips of how this Wild West amusement park looked during its operation on top of the mountain. We hope you enjoyed this little piece of Maggie Valley history. Thanks for watching.